Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be changing out my factory style wiper blades with some new wiper blades that I bought from the Chevy dealership in Riverside. $30 each, $60 for the pair. I don't know how much they cost at AutoZone or Pep Boys or Kragen. I'm sure they're about 20, 25 bucks each. I'd rather pay a few bucks more and get a set that is designed to go on your vehicle. And I will be doing this on my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, dynamic fuel management, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. So with that said, let's hop in the vehicle and I'll show you what to do next. So this is going to work the same whether you have a keyed ignition or a push start like I have. What you're going to do is you're going to turn your wipers to the first on position. Then you're either going to turn the key or push the button so it's in the accessory mode. With my truck, since I have a push start, I'm not going to put my foot on the brake. So go ahead and turn it to the first on position, put it in accessory mode, and then what will happen is the wiper blades will operate and you're going to push the stop button or turn the key off right when they get to the position that you want them to be in, so it'll make it easier to change out the blades. So here we go. Just like that, and that's it. So now, I'll see you on the outside of the vehicle. Now I'm not sure why, but these wiper blades have two different stock numbers. I don't know if there's a left and a right, but they are identical in every single way. So to get them off, what you're going to do is, I'll zoom in. There's a lever right here. Take your fingernail and pull it back. Now, of course, since this is a new blade, it's a piece of cake to lift up. But you're going to do the same thing on here. You might need a screwdriver. Sometimes you can use your fingernail. Pull it back, pull the arm up, and then you're going to pull down on the blade. Just like that, and then it slides right off. You take the new one, make sure that little clip is open. Hang on a second. And then what you're going to do is put this hook right inside the opening on the new blade, and then what you're going to do is you're going to push up on the blade till you hear it snap in place, and then push down on that lever. And that is it. And then to do the other one, you can either try to do it here or go ahead and turn the accessory key on and allow the wiper blades to go ahead and go all the way back down. But I'm going to go ahead and try it with it in this position. Now, one thing you're going to want to make sure is that you don't let this arm smack down on the glass. I'm not too sure if it'll break it, but you don't want to take that chance. Then you take your new blade for the other side, and then you're going to do the same thing. Sit that hook inside the opening. And then pull up on the blade, or push up on the blade towards the roof, and push that lever down, and that's it. You're not going to believe this. I still have one wiper blade in the bag, which means I had put the one I took off on the passenger side, so I'm going to go ahead and do that one real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I changed out the passenger side blade with the new one. And how do I know I have the new ones on my vehicle now? Well, this one's ripped, and so is this one. So now I know I have the two new blades on my vehicle. So what you gotta do now is, of course, make sure your blades, your used blades, are off of the base of the window. You're gonna go back into your vehicle, go ahead and turn off the wiper blades. Push the accessory button or turn the key. And then go ahead and turn the accessory switch back off again. There you go, the blades are back down. So I got 2 new blades on there now, and I know I do because I got the used ones here. Anyway, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the factory GM Chevrolet wiper blades on my 2019 Chevy Silverado. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and that really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. I do have a few bloopers for this, so stay to the end for that. And I guess that's it. And I'll see you on the next video. So, we are expecting 3 or 4 days of rain starting, I believe, tomorrow. Today is December 21st, 2021. And it was about time I got these replaced because I haven't used them in a while. So, with that said, may your windshield stay clean on a rainy day. Have a good day. Bye. Stay clear on a rainy day. There you go. That's probably better choice of words. Anyway, it's going to be nice. Have new blades. See you guys later. Have a good day. Bye. Hello and welcome to test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be changing out my factory wiper blades with some new GM factory wiper blades that I bought from the dealership. I guess that's how you word it. Factory wiper blades. GM. Yeah. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be changing out my original wiper blades. Actually, it's not the original ones. This is the second set. No, I don't like that one either. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Now there's another fucking truck coming by. You better keep going. Better keep going. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be changing out my factory wiper blades with some new factory wiper blades that I bought from the Riverside Chevrolet dealership. Fucking bitch. So that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of, damn, I screwed that one up.